Hey, good morning, everybody. And today's episode at the Toy Car Collector for YouTube, my YouTube audience. And let me tell you, I appreciate all you guys watching my videos. It makes it fun for me to do this. So let's get into this box. Here's something I hardly ever get, hardly ever buy, and hardly ever offered to me. And that's some dealer promo models. There are 4 dealer promo models in here. No boxes, unfortunately, and they're the most popular when they have their original boxes. Whoa, this thing is packed. Holy smokes. Wait a minute. They do have boxes. Let me see. I don't remember seeing the boxes, except maybe long ago. This must have been the collection. He showed me the cars, 4 cars the other day, and I think originally when he showed these cars to me months ago, they actually did show me the boxes, but they were all moldy. I think that's the collection we're talking about. Now, a lot of times, people will offer me stuff to buy, and I don't really pay that close attention to it, but if it looks interesting, I'll just make the deal and go ahead and buy it, because I like to have stuff coming in. It's kind of like Christmas over here at the Toy Car Collector. I got to get a box in at least once a week. Twice a week is better. Every day would be a little bit too much, but that could be done. Only if you bought a bunch of bad Matchbox. Well, look at this now. Okay, yep, this is definitely the moldy box lot. Look at that thing. Ew, that's going, I don't know, should I hang on to that box and include it when I sell the car? Or should I get rid of it right away? Because I can't be having moldy stuff in my house. But let's take a look inside this box. It looks like they just put them in the boxes. Oh, look what we have here now. This is a 1966 Pontiac GTO with red striped tires. How cool is that, huh? Now I think there's a slight bow here. I thought there was a crack in these, but I think it's just the molding line actually. Pushed out, I think slightly, not sure. I guess it looks fine actually. And look at that, it has a nicely painted suspension and mufflers. It's actually a very good looking car, much nicer than I had anticipated. Wow. I'm kind of hanging back here from the camera so I can see it better, but this is nice. I'll just give that a little rub off, a little blowout with a duster, and put that on display. I don't think I have any promos on display right now, so that's very nice. Wow, nice surprise. You know, like I usually say, most surprises are very good. Every once in a while I'll get like a Hot Wheels car that has like a bad suspension or a broken wheel or something like that, or cracked wheels, but you know, for the most part I'm pretty careful about what I buy, and I have been buying. I used to buy sight unseen back in the day, back in the early 90s, late 80s. I used to buy sight unseen. Actually, people would just send me stuff. They still do. A lot of people just go ahead and send me the stuff first, and then we work out a deal later. It's fine either way. This one is, this one's a 1965 Cadillac Convertible. Well, these boxes have got to go. Gross. Gross. Look at that beauty. I love green. I love green, so you know I'm going to love this. Wowee. That's pretty. Look at that Cadillac. Wow. Beautiful. Fantastic. All right. Actually, cars with no boxes are just fine because I just like to display them anyway. I just like to display them. That's a good car. GTO, that, of course, if that had a mint box, that would double, triple the price if it had a mint, crispy box. Because professional promos are generally collected by people with a lot of money to spend because they're expensive. They are really expensive. Or they can be. It's those Mopars. Mopars and Rivieras and Chrysler Imperials. Those 3 are definitely the most expensive. Some of the regular cars are not too bad. Cadillacs can be on the spendy side. Actually, I don't know. This box looks like it's actually not bad. Could be stored away, I suppose, if I put it in a plastic hermetically sealed bag. Oh, look at this. What have we got here now? We got a Grand Prix. Whoa, what year? 65. 65 Grand Prix Black. Wow. That's cool, huh? Oh boy. That is nice. Can I unscrew that? Yeah, I'm going to unscrew these and get those washed up nice and clean. I don't like dirt. I don't like mold. Hopefully there isn't any on the car. A little rub on there. Probably cardboard rub. Look at that. Pontiac, Cadillac, Pontiac. Wow. This is cool. I'm liking this. I'm really liking this. I'm glad I got these. I'm glad I got them. It's just a last minute thing. I wasn't sure I wanted them because unfortunately all my dealer promos are just in the closet. 100 of them in the closet doing nothing right now. I had to make room for something else to display. I need more room. Firebird. What? Antique gold. I don't think that's what's in this box. That'd be cool. It's not. It's Cadillac. Cadillac. Look at that hardtop. Oh, now this one does have a broken bit right there. Little fragile piece. Little broken bit. One little broken bit. Slight disappointment there, but not bad. It'll display just fine. Probably came like that. It might have just been misformed on that, but look at that beauty. Wow. That is neat. Look at that. Cadillac. What is this? 65 Cadillac. 265s. Wow, both two doors. Convertible and hardtop. Which would you prefer? I think I'd go with convertible, thank you. That hardtop is sexy as all get outs. Look at that beauty. Black leather interior. Do they have the same interior? Hey, we could put the black interior in here and the green interior in there. What do you say? That'd be kind of weird, though. That is a nice dark green, isn't it? Wow, these are nice. All right, I got to get over and take these apart and get them all dusted off right now. Right, these guys are now clean. What did it take to clean these? Well, it took soap and water. I undid the 4 screws on the bottom to take the base out so there wouldn't accumulate any water inside there. I washed it in soap and water just like a dish. Dried off the inside so no water would dry on the windows. Then I wiped down the exterior a little bit with some Zymol, powerful cleaner wax. Wiped that all off, cleaned up the residue with a toothbrush. Wiped off the windows like that. And now look, they're so pretty. And I got the light on to make them shine. Look at that. Isn't that a beautiful model? And it really is the way I prefer to get my promos. Sans box, no box. It does have boxes, but they're kind of nasty. And, you know, they get Cadillac Convertible, inverted screen, black. It is the box for that model over there. I guess this one is just got a few dark spots on it, but there's some nasty ones. Look at this. That is all mold. I don't know. I think that's got to go. Anyway, I think I'm going to just put these on display. Look at this black Bonneville, or Grand Prix, I should say. Look at that gorgeous thing, huh? Wow, she is ready to go on display. And here's a big caddy. Love the Cadillac 65. What a great year, 1965. This is 66. Amazing, amazing. This is 65 as well. Look at these 365s. Look at that dark green. Wow. Wowee, wow, wow. I love the chrome on that. What's really cool is they got these little tiny red lights right in the middle of that. That is neat. That is a neat deal. And look at this Pontiac. Well, look at that fine detail on there. That is great. Planet Plane on the back. What about that GTO? Look at that black. Woo, GTO. That's a sweet model. This one would be very expensive in the box. I think these go for about $350 in the box. Maybe $100 loose. One close to this condition, 100, 150, but I want to keep this one. This looks real good. So there they are, the promo model collection that just arrived here at the Toy Car Collector. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to watch some of my other videos. I've got a great video right up there of all my promos. It's a great video. I've got lots of stuff about Hot Wheels, Matchbox, Johnny Lightnings, and other things like that. So thanks for joining me, and you have a great day.